Hi, today for the Motorola E32s, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So just to change our lock screen wallpaper, we should open the settings and then scroll to the wallpaper and style. Here select one from the Google Photos or just your wallpapers default on your device, or wallpaper. Tap the wallpapers and style section to change your currently wallpaper. Just let's use wallpaper and style. Click here change wallpaper, and we can select photos from our device gallery previously taken on our device camera or downloaded, for example, from the internet. Let's go back to see more folders with the just default wallpapers. Let's use one from the, for example, arts wallpapers. Here we can change the position of the wallpaper on the lock screen and we can see the preview. So let's just set this wallpaper, tap on the right down corner to OK and select lock screen. We can see that the wallpaper set successfully. So let's just lock the device and we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just hold for a while the empty space on your home screen and then tap the wallpaper and styles, and by the same way you can select just new wallpaper from let's use the default ones. Just let's use this wallpaper. Click the right down corner to OK, select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.